All right, first things first, we want to make sure that we're grounded out with our anti-static bracelet and some sort of anti-static surface that we have here. We're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove these screws and then remove the circuit board. The battery is at the very bottom circuit board on the unit. So to remove the circuit board, I kind of grab from the top and bottom, slowly rock back and forth. You don't want to bend any of those pins. And then we'll take the 1/4 inch driver and remove the standoff posts. We're going to want to unhook the ribbon cable here. You just pull these two black tabs out. It should just pop right out. Now we're going to remove these bottom two screws, and then we're going to do the same thing. Grab the top of the board, the bottom of the board, and rock it back and forth. Just make sure to be very gentle. And this is the last board we need to remove. Take the 1/4 inch driver again, remove the 5 standoffs. Bottom 2 Phillips screws here. When you do yours, you're going to have a bunch of wires here and down here as well for all the sensors and everything. You can leave those plugged in for now. And just kind of let the board. And then here is your battery. So we'll go ahead, pop the battery out, and install the new one. Okay, so to remove the battery, we'll take a flathead screwdriver, kind of pop it up and push it to the side. It'll pop right out. And then when we put the new battery in, we want to make sure the plus side is up, negative's at the bottom. Just going to make sure it goes under that clip. Just kind of slide it right in there and it'll lock in. All right, so to reinstall it after we replace the battery, we're going to put the boards back in. We want to align the pins with the holes and make sure the standoffs align with these holes as well. I always take the top 2 pins and kind of look back there and align the pins with the holes down there, and then you'll make sure all the standoffs align. These back 5 are going to take the standoffs, while the front 2 will have the screws in them that we took out earlier. Then essentially it's going to be the same thing with the next board here. This board is going to be the one with the ribbon cable. Just kind of align the top 2 pins, slowly push down and rock. And on this one, these back 3 will take the standoffs and the front 2 will take the screws. We'll take the screws. Before we install the next board, we're going to want to install our ribbon cable back. You can see there's a small notch there. It slides right in. You'll push it in. Those 2 clamps will close. Just make sure they're closed. Then we put on the final board, align the top 2 pins, push down, and then install our final screws, and we're good to go and power the unit back up.